How to do an inventory count. Encore uses a utility called Count Deck to help you do an inventory count. This utility can be used on a computer or a mobile device to help you count your inventory. There are two ways to access the utility. You can go to Reports and click on Count Deck Report. Or, go to Utilities and click on Count Deck. In this screen, you can choose to view professional and retail products together, or separately. You also have the option to type in on-hand amounts, or scan products in for easy searching. On a mobile device, click on Scan Barcode to use your device's camera to scan each product into inventory. If you select Search and Increment, each time you scan a product, 1 unit will be added to the on-hand amount for the product scanned. In this mode, it is important to select professional or retail so that the product you scan goes into the proper on-hand amounts. If you select Search, it will select the product each time you scan it, and then you can type in the actual amounts. On a computer, you don't need to click on Scan Barcode, you can just scan each product if you have a barcode scanner. Once you have adjusted all of the on-hand amounts, click Save. We have now finished going over updating inventory counts. Thanks for watching.